Okay. Good morning, everyone. My name is Saraljit Kaur Mann, and I am the Scrum Master for this project. And today we have Sukhmanpreet, who is product owner. Avleen and Malika are our developers for this project. So let's start our sprint review meeting today. In the last sprint planning, we talked about our user stories, and we added them to the sprint one, which were view attendance and academic performance, check course enrollment numbers, manage user accounts, and manage faculty assignments. So as you can see on the screen, some of the user stories are in progress and are done as well. So I want to ask my developers that talk about the user stories which are done.
So what we did yesterday, we prioritized faculty assignments as was mentioned by product owner. So we started working on that yesterday, and whatever he required, like he wanted it in a in a clean way, like in a list or something. So we represented it in like a table form, so every faculty can see their assignments in a organized manner. And then so on, we started working for other user stories too, and other in the progress stories, my other developer Malika, she can explain.
Today we will work on check course enrollment number, and we also work on manage user account, which is still pending.
Okay.
Because there is big task for us, because we have completed all acceptance criteria, all of description done, but we have still pending update and started time, also log time.
Okay. All right.
Mhm.
So for the managed faculty assignments, Avleen, do you find any kind of problem in it?
No, everything was good. Like, we did talk to the design team too, so it was seamless. We didn't encounter any difficulties, but we are waiting for the feedback for the in progress for the user accounts. So, like, we are waiting for them, like how it should look or something. Like, CRUD operations are also left, so because it's a big user story, so we are working on that. But for the faculty assignments, it was okay. Like it didn't take that much time as it's taking for user accounts.
Okay.
All right.
So for the faculty assignments, you made a list of all the teachers, right?
Yeah, for all the
So
faculties,
I
they
want to
can see.
ask the product owner that is it okay that we're making a list? Uh,
Yeah, it's pretty good. Like making a list makes it very easy to manage all the courses and the faculties assigned. And I would like to make it a little more interactive.
okay.
Yeah, so maybe find out some ways so that it becomes more easy to manage. I know list is a pretty good thing. And another thing I would like to add is that there would be some courses in which multiple teachers are teaching. So take some special care of that, right?
Okay.
Mhm.
So I want the developers to make a note of it. So
Okay.
that's your feedback for the managed faculty assignments.
Okay.
Okay, so now as we are doing the manage user accounts user story, so are you facing any problem?
We are just waiting for the feedback from the design team. After they give it a go, then we'll start doing the CRUD operations and then so on and start by working side by side on the enrollment numbers too.
Okay, so as I can see for the acceptance criteria for the manage user accounts, it says that we have to add the CRUD operations in it. So
Mm-hmm.
are the CRUD operations ready or not?
Like we are working on it, but they are not ready yet.
Okay, all right. So check
And
course.
also, team, another thing I would like to highlight is the type of users.
Okay,
So, a user could be a student, A user could be an IT department member. A user could be the faculty head, or you could say the professor. So I think it is a very important user story, and I completely think it's gonna take like 2 to 3 days alone on this. So
Yeah.
the Scrum Master, maybe you should talk to your team about this, like prioritize it a little more so that we can get a better result at this.
All right. So, as the product owner says that we need different permissions in
Yeah.
this user story, so that the permissions for the students are different, for the administrators, for everything, there should be different. So you have to add such functionality in it. So
Yes,
I
we'll do
want you to make a note of it.
it. Mm-hmm. Yeah,
And
we haven't
for
started working for the security thing for the user accounts, so we'll make a note of it and then start working by side when we'll do the security thing.
okay, and check course enrollment numbers. You are still doing it, or you haven't started yet?
Yeah, like we looked at it, but we haven't done anything about that because we are mainly first focusing on user accounts because it's the priority for the product owner. So, like, we went through it, but we haven't done anything yet.
Okay. And view attendance and academic performance is not started yet.
Mhm.
Okay, so for the next sprint review thing or the planning, I want you to complete this, or just in the next meeting, I want to discuss more about these user stories.
Mhm.
And that's it for the sprint review today.
Okay.
Have a nice
So
day.
well done, team. Like 8 more days to go, and like we're already done with one user story. It's a good thing, and let's hope for the best throughout the sprint.
Yeah.
Mm.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.